Have you ever wondered if there's a way to turn our ever-growing waste problem into a solution for our energy needs? Enter the Incineration Revolution. It's all about transforming waste into a valuable resource. Incineration, a waste treatment process, combusts organic substances within waste materials. The result? A significant reduction in waste volume and the generation of energy in the form of heat and electricity. What's more, it's not picky about its fuel. From municipal solid waste to industrial byproducts, a wide variety of materials can be subjected to incineration, making it a versatile solution in tackling the global waste management challenge. The heart of the incineration process lies within the combustion chamber, where waste is subjected to intense heat, leading to the release of combustible gases. So how does this transformative process work? Well, it all begins in the combustion chamber, the heart of the incineration process. Here, waste materials, everything from municipal solid waste to industrial byproducts, are exposed to high temperatures, usually somewhere between 800 to 1200 degrees Celsius. The intense heat triggers a process called thermal decomposition. As the waste breaks down, it releases combustible gases, primarily carbon dioxide and water vapor, which are then released into the atmosphere. Now, you might be wondering, can we just toss any old thing into the incineration chamber? The answer is no. Effective waste segregation plays a crucial role in the incineration process. By separating recyclables from non-recyclables, we ensure that only suitable materials enter the combustion chamber. This not only optimizes the energy generation process, but also helps us make the most of our waste. And that's the beauty of it all. Effective waste segregation ensures that only suitable materials enter the combustion chamber, optimizing the energy generation process. The benefits of incineration go beyond waste reduction and energy generation. This process also offers substantial environmental advantages. Chief among these is the reduction of methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas that is typically released when waste decomposes in landfills. By incinerating waste, we can control and significantly reduce these harmful emissions. But the benefits don't stop there. The energy recovery stage of incineration is a masterstroke of efficient resource use. The heat generated during combustion is harnessed to produce steam. This steam drives turbines, which in turn power generators. The resulting electricity can then be fed into the grid, contributing to our overall energy supply. As we look to the future, ongoing research and advancements in technology continue to refine and enhance the incineration process. Innovations range from advanced filtration systems that improve air quality to more efficient methods of energy recovery. These breakthroughs are making incineration more sustainable and reducing its overall environmental impact. In our shared journey towards a greener future, incineration is emerging as a powerful ally. By harnessing the latent energy within our waste, we not only address the challenges of waste management, but also contribute to the global transition towards renewable energy sources.